Hi, this is Watchabi, and this is the part 2 of the unboxing of this Omega Ultra Deep watch that I just got. So I did a part 1 earlier, but this is just on the box itself. So this is the box. It is a wooden box which has a lock, a button here, and you can see that if I can sort of zoom in, it's a very nice medallion, the Omega medallion there. So what you need to do is when you press on this medallion, this whole box, it will unlatch, as you can see here, and the box will open. So it's a nice solid wooden box, nice interior, as you can see there, and the watch sits nicely in the middle. Now, what's interesting is that if you open this particular flap, you will notice that the cushion sits in this really interesting box. This box is actually something that you can take out, and lo and behold, becomes a traveling watch box. Let me take out the links that I took out earlier for resizing, and this is how it looks like. A nice watch box. So there is a traveling watch box, a traveling watch box inside the main watch box. So let me put it up again. Sorry guys, I have only one hand as I'm holding the camera on the other. So this is how the things. So this is the watch. Huge beast, very weighty, but not unexpected since the Ultra Deep can go down to 6,000 meters. Very nice. Anyway, I'll do a full review about this watch soon, so do follow the channel. There's a link in the description below. Yeah, until then, bye bye for now.